Does a professional baseball player need a family office? Sure you do, unless you want to be one of those people on 30 for 30 talking about how they were paid $100 million over their career and have nothing to show for it. So you might think you're going to play for the next 20 years and you'll make tons of money, but that's probably not the case. The average baseball player makes $5.16 million last year, and the average career in Major League Baseball is 5.6 years. So some people have careers that are longer than that, and some people get hurt their first or second year, get operated on their shoulders, their knees, and never quite recover well enough to come back to play professionally. So 5.16 million and 5.6 years average career is not a lot if that money has to last you the rest of your life, especially since you won't even see half of it. It'll get taken out before it hits your bank account. So what do I mean by that? You have to pay your agent, you have to pay your federal, and you have to pay your state taxes. And if you think, oh, I moved to Florida, I moved to Texas, they don't have income tax there, you're wrong. Other states have what's called a jock tax. So even if you live in a state with no state income tax like Florida or Texas, if you are playing in a state with a very high income tax like California, they will still charge you this jock tax. They will figure out how many games you played that year. They will divide that by the number of games you played in their state, and they will charge you a jock tax based on the number of games you played in that state versus other states, just as if you lived there. So what does a family office do for you? Well, just like you can go to the doctor or dentist or hire a lawyer, a family office does a lot of things that you don't want to do or can't do for yourself, but it just brings it all under one roof. So you can have your lawyer, you can have your CPA, you can have other advisors, and they are all under one roof and can talk to each other and know what you're planning to do and your plans and your situation, and can help you make decisions and talk to each other about what each other is doing so that they are coordinated in what they need to do for you. So what does that entail? Well, part of it is paying fewer taxes. So I mentioned the federal, state, and jock taxes. So you want to do things to reduce taxes, and they have tax people there that can help you with that. Also investments. If you only have 5.6 years career on average, and that money has to last you the rest of your life, you want to put it into investments that'll work for you the way you worked for your money, and they can help you vet that so you don't get pressured into investing in your brother-in-law's restaurant or your best friend's nightclub. You can have professionals in finance and tax review the business plan, review the numbers, draw up contracts that protect you, and even be the bad guy for you, so they can say no to your brother-in-law instead of you, and it doesn't make Thanksgiving awkward. They can also ensure that you have enough for your retirement and for your medical needs for the rest of your life, and that you have enough to pass on to your kids, because generational wealth is important, and you want to be able to have your kids do whatever they want to do, not what they have to do to support themselves. So how do I or other people help with that? Well, my name is Pete, and I'm a lawyer, and I have 25 years experience. And when I worked in government, I drafted the rules that apply to all family offices and hedge funds. So if you hire a lawyer, they will look at the rules that I drafted and tell you what to do to comply with them. And you can work with me directly through my website, turnkeyfamilyoffice.com, either as a consultant or as a lawyer, and I can help you with your situation, and I can help you with your situation. I'll be putting out more videos like this, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, just like and subscribe to the channel so that you'll see future updates. If you have future videos that you'd like to see, just put them in the comments. And to prove I'm a lawyer, I'll give you the disclaimer right now. I'm a lawyer, but I'm not your lawyer. Everything you've seen here is for educational, informational purposes only. It's not intended to be legal advice and does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and I. If you have questions about your own specific legal or financial circumstances, you should discuss them with your own legal or financial advisor. I undertake no duty to update this website. So that's it for today. Have a great day, everyone.